People are like talking about the imports in the finals in the PBA, but maybe we have our own unforgettable moments with PBA imports.
We've had forgettable imports,
which would lead to unforgettable moments. Susie, your unforgettable moment with an import that we can actually share.
Hey! All my encounters are very shareable.
Baka, you know.
Hindi nila ako type. Just saying. Okay. I was a kid. I've been a Shell fan.
Yeah, true.
So John Best. My
John
favorite.
Best!
All time. But my
Hindi ko
super
kakilala yun.
John Best. Lagi nakabota yun pag Shell party.
Galingan John Best.
But he's steady lang. You know, I mean, I was a kid. Talagang looking up to him. He was like a hero to me. Pero merong isa pang kahit one conference lang siya sa Shell. Talagang nag-stick siya sa ulo ko.
What happened?
Ski Jones.
Ski Jones?
Ski Jones. Sobrang shooter.
Okay.
May isang night, nasa bahay ako, hindi ako pinayagan manood ng PBA Live for some reason. I think it was a week.
How old are you?
Bata pa. Basta rule sa amin, pwede ka manood ng live ng PBA, basta weekend.
Kasi may pasok na next day.
Pag weekday, bawal manood. So nasa bahay ako, brown out. So
Okay.
hindi ko manood sa TV, iritang-irita ako. Nasa radyo ako nakikinig.
Okay.
For some reason, ito yung gabing nagwala yung Ski Jones.
Alright.
Something like, was it like 10 3-pointers? Ang lala talaga, ang lala. Tapos may isa siyang 3-pointer na di ko alam kung fumake siya, may kumagat, di ko alam. Basta nag-end up yung paa niya nasa ibabaw ng shoulder ng defender niya. Guys, pasok pa rin po. Wild! Sobrang wild.
And this is over there, you're listening
Yes,
over the radio.
yes. I could never forget that game. Hanggang ngayon, andito pa rin siya, seared in my memory. Ski Jones.
Ski Jones.
Look him up. Google
It's amazing.
Ski Jones.
I tried. You won't find it.
Google John Best as well.
Oh, John Best, John Best.
Magaling yan.
John Best, Ken Redfield, magaling.
Actually, Shell
Ken
imports are
Redfield.
pretty dope.
Triple-double si Ken Redfield.
Okay, Charles.
Well, forgettable imports. I've been with two pretty well-credentialed. One was Rashad McCants. I mean, one of them high-profile imports, and the other one's DJ Benga. They both stunk it up, so they're forgettable.
Stunk it
They were
up!
really bad choices for our teams there. In terms of me watching as a fan, Chris King is one of my most memorable.
Chris King,
you know,
oh my gosh.
busted hamstring and all, making all those plays. That's why I became a Ginebra fan back in the day.
Ngayon, hater ka na lang.
You know, I hate her. I just have no team. You know, no bias for any team whatsoever. And
Except Rainer Shine.
no, not at all. Not affiliated to them in any way. But unforgettable. I won't forget this though. I was there when it happened. Gila's team, when CJ Gals was still the import. I was just watching at that time.
You weren't part
Wala
of
pa,
the
wala
coaching
pa
staff
at that time. Against Talk and Text, tune-up game. They beat him up.
Oh ba?
He was defending. I won't mention names, but it's still clear in my head. Sino yung mga yun? He was just defending there. Got an elbow to the face. The guy was going for a layup. You could probably guess who naman, di ba? Pero elbow to the face. And then there was and then there was a headlock. They surrounded him and they were kicking, stomping. Everybody ganged up on him, and none of the other Gilas teammates could come close kasi hinaharangan sila ng mga ibang players eh. So that was just interesting. And to think it was a tune-up game. They're supposed to be sister teams somehow na, you know, same company, same ownership, and you know, you bully and beat them up. So you know, I'll never forget that for sure.
Lala.
Kasi nasa Mora Lorenzo yun eh. Nasa taas ako, right?
So talaga ang ganda ng view mo.
As in, sarap.
Ang ganda ng view.
Wow.
Medyo malaki ata yung humarang dun sa mga Gilas boys.
Medyo nga, medyo nga.
Malapad siya eh. Okay, Renner.
Medyo may tatlo akong hindi ko makalimutan. Siyempre, pag import pinag-usapan natin, Tony Harris. Scoring 100 points. Diba? Wala nang kagawang import ulit nun. Tapos yung famous Air Max niya with long shorts, Ilona Jean, chicks niya.
Ilona Jean.
Ano yung famous Air Max long shorts?
By the way, Ilona Jean was a celebrity.
Snapchat.
Yeah, he's a celebrity.
I have no idea.
I know, that's why.
Nakita ko pa sa Star City before.
Ano ka nun?
I was like,
Grade school.
grade school. Oo, kasi...
Hindi ba ako pinapanganak nun, no?
Sobrang naman.
Hindi kasi kami, sister ko, mga kapatid ko, free admission kami sa Ultra eh. Kasi because of my dad.
Okay.
So, lalakad lang eh. From Capitolio, lakad lang kami. Doon kami every game. Hindi katulad mo, bawal man. Hindi, kami nanonood talaga kami. So, live lagi. So, yun, Tony Harris, of course, yun, posibleng hindi mo makakalimutan Tony Harris. Yung first time talagang experience, si Terence Leather.
Terence Leather, import nyo.
Import namin, sa Talk and Text. Yes. kararating na lang. Siyempre, sa Tomatex, mahilig mag-lunch out, may mag-invite sa house nila. Naalala ko, sinabay ko yun eh. Sumakay sa akin.
Sumakay sa'yo?
Sumakay sa
Wala
akin.
siyang auto?
Oo, wala siyang auto. Sumakay sa akin. Biglang pagsakay sa akin, nag-beat.
Beatbox?
Oo, tapos nabibig ko, tapos nagra-rap mag-isa. Hindi ako kinakausap, biglang nagsasalita.
Di ba naka-cornrows yun?
Oo, naka-cornrows,
diba?
Eh di ba pag nakita mo yun, gano'n yung mukha nun eh. Parang ganun mo sa
Parang sa puyo
He actually
wala.
kinda looks scary. Diba?
Oo.
Medyo yung dating niya, malakas yung
So,
dating.
nung pagsakay sa ko, kala ko ano nangyayari kung sino kinakausap niya. Yung pala, kumakanta siya mag-isa, nagra-rap siya, nakaganon siya lagi. So,
Sample nga, anong parang
hindi
siya
ko alam, hindi ko alam. Kaya nung tapos nung naglaro na kami, di ba yun nga yung famous bato ng bola sa mukha, famous kick of James Yap from behind.
Sa likod. No?
Yun ang
It's on YouTube. It's
Yeah.
all there. It's,
So yun ang hindi ko makita.
just type James Yap, Terrence Leather.
Di ba binuhat pa sa ni Ali Pic?
It's there.
Siya yun, yung binalibag.
Hindi. Actually,
Parang
si
to protect.
Enrico, ka-teammate pa ni James Yap nun ata eh. Hinahabol ata ni Enrico si Terence Leather. Kasi si Terence Leather, hinahabol si James
Saan
Yap.
ito eh? Di ba sa Inaris?
Yeah.
Sa Inaris.
Ang ginawa niya, sinulo niya, si Enrico, full speed, isang kamay.
Wild!
Oo, wild talaga. Binuhat na si Enrico, isang kamay.
Wild!
Oo, nasa YouTube actually. So, pasarap na si Enrico, hindi niya nabunan sa Terence Leather.
Because yung Terrence Leather. James Yap, I think
Yun.
a very, very smart thing. Pagkatadyak niya sa likod, takbo. Takbo. I don't care. People
Yes.
are gonna laugh at it. But there's a reason why James Yap is still alive today. Dahil tumakbo siya. Okay, that's a very, very smart thing to do. Okay, ako sa akin, hindi naman ganun ka-violent or not involving like childhood and whatever. It was just a simple, simple moment. Remember Nate Brumfield? Yung
Brumfield!
Si Brumfield, yung parang the theme na import ng Ginebra.
Balbo.
Nate Brumfield. Yung parang Willie Miller na tinamaan ng gamma rays.
Wow!
May blooper to si Charles, no?
Ito? Late na nun. Anyway, so si Nate
Tingnan mo
Brumfield.
naman pa-bloom niya, bro.
So Nate Brumfield was Ginebra's import. He enters the production room kasi i-interview siya before the game. So he was wearing his headphones, like imports.
Malalaki ba yun?
Doing that, diba? Headphones and listening to his
His jam.
his tunes, diba? Ako naman, ito naman si Curious Sportscaster. Gusto ko lang tanong kung ano yung, parang it's something maybe I could use in the coverage, maybe it's something I can connect with how he plays, diba? Based on his playlist, whatever. So lapit ako. Hey Nate. There you go, what's up? So, what are you listening to? Ano ko? I mean, it's just a normal question. Ang sagot pa naman sa akin, you wouldn't know.
Ano sabi mo?
Oh my gosh!
Ano sabi mo?
Abang ka to! gusto ko kunin yung Generation 1 iPad ko. Ito, True Fate, kilala mo? Side A, kilala mo Side A? Freestyle, kilala mo? Kilala mo? Before I let you.
Alamid.
Bakit kasi yun yung title ng song, you wouldn't know?
Hindi, iba.
May judgment in his face eh.
Yung ano talaga, parang nakaupo siya eh. Ako nakatayo ako, so pantay kami. So sabi niya, tumingin sa akin, you wanna know.
Ano sabi mo?
Okay. Laki.
Laki. Pero ang daming unforgettable PBA awards. Ewan ko kung dahil lang hindi ko sila makalimutan kasi I saw them when I was a kid. Sobrang, yan yung mga The 13 Mots of the World, the mga Lamont Struthers, Quan Johnson is one of my favorites.
Quan Johnson.
Parang lately though, the imports of late, hindi na sila masyadong tumatatak as much.
I think
Dati bumabalik-balik kasi
I think yun, kailangan balikan ng balik. I really hope Ivan Johnson comes back 4 more times.
Oh my gosh.
He will be a fan favorite by then.
I-naturalize na yan.
No, what if Ivan Johnson plays for Ginebra?
Yun o.
For sure.
Pwede.
Wow.
Wild.
I think people,
I would love him.
I think people's perceptions of him will change
Drastically.
dramatically, and
For better or for worse.
for better or what about plays for Rangers? Hey.
Oh my gosh.
Maybe you have your own unforgettable moments with imports.
We would love to hear them. Send them through Twitter, please, @upper_B. Don't forget to follow Buhay Basket as well, @BuhayBasket on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.
Hoy, Nate, alam mo ba yung, let's take it slow, so slow.
Anyway.
Alam mo, baka-judge ka.
97 na.
Na-hurt ako dun, ha? Na-hurt ako. Kaya ko may Google ko ano.
So, hindi talaga sinagot.
Ito yung sinagot, bastos.
Baka naka-focus lang sa game.
Grabe, napahiya ako nun, no?